Discover the Iaki RHEA001 dehumidifier, your ultimate solution for homes spanning 4,500 square feet. This Energy Star 2025 certified dehumidifier, one of the most efficient on the market with only a 2.6% pass rate, boasts an impressive capacity of 80 pints per day in humid conditions and 56 pints in warmer, damp environments. By choosing this dehumidifier, you're not just safeguarding your home against excess moisture, but also contributing to energy savings and environmental protection. With its cutting-edge high-efficiency rotor compressor Pro Plus and advanced blue hydrophilic aluminum foil, the RHEA001 ensures breakthrough heat exchange efficiency that exceeds even the most rigorous energy efficiency standards in history. This smart dehumidifier features a high-performance chip, millisecond-level dynamic detection, and a full-stack proprietary humidity compensation algorithm to maintain ideal humidity levels with precision. Designed for quiet operation, the RHEA001 is a mere 44 dB at its lowest setting, making it as quiet as white noise. Its compact size of 14.45-inch DX8, 66-inch WX24, 0.9-inch H and weight of only 31 pounds make it easy to move around without disturbing your daily life, even at its highest setting. With a hidden handle for floor-to-floor transport, multicolor ambient light for convenient nighttime use, and an adjustable humidity control from 40% to 80%, the RHEA001 is truly a customer-centric design. Backed by a 3-year coverage for the unit and a 5-year coverage for the compressor, the Iaki RHEA001 dehumidifier promises reliable performance and peace of mind. Join thousands of satisfied customers who have already experienced the difference with Iaki. Order your RHEA001 today.